Our deepest appreciation to each one of you who joined us today. It is truly pleasing to witness the growing interest in the Namibia Oil and Gas Conference, which is now entering its third edition. The NOGC is truly becoming an icon event in Namibia. And as we have heard, this year it's coming back better and much bigger. And all this would not have been possible without the contributions of our partners and participants. So first and foremost, I would like to thank our partners, both from the public and private sector, whose continued collaboration and trust has really helped transform this platform from a mere idea. I remember when we started discussing this in our first meeting at NIPDB. It's a mere idea into what has now become an annual event on Namibia's economic calendar. To our valued partners, the NIPDB, Hans Seidel Foundation, our strategic partners, NAMCOR, SNC Incorporated, and our official endorser, the Ministry of Mines and Energy. Your continued partnership has been instrumental in ensuring the success and smooth execution of this conference.